welcome to Kids Jungle. Learn, play and explore.
Hi friends, let's hear a small story of a monkey and a crocodile.
One sunny day, a clever monkey named Chiku lived on a big tree by the river. He loved munching on sweet, juicy mangoes. Crunch, crunch! Chiku happily chewed while gazing at the shimmering water below. In the river lived a sneaky crocodile named Kalu. He spotted Chiku eating those delicious mangoes and wanted to trick him. Splash, splash! Kalu swam closer to the tree and called out, "Chiku, come join me for a swim. I'll take you to the other side of the river for even sweeter fruit." Chiku knew Kalu was not to be trusted. How can I trick him? Thought Chiku. He had an idea. "Okay, Kalu," Chiku said, "but I left my heart on a tree. Can you take me back to get it?" Kalu, being greedy, thought he could catch Chiku easily. Thump, thump! Went Kalu's heavy steps as he carried Chiku back to the tree. Once they reached the tree, Chiku leaped off Kalu's back and onto the branches. Swoosh! The leaves rustled as Chiku laughed. "You thought you'd eat me. You can't catch me that easily, Kalu." Kalu grumbled, "Gah!" and swam away, outsmarted by the clever monkey.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.